What if the car that looks fine on the outside completely collapses in a crash? Today, we're exposing some of the worst crash test performances ever recorded from Chinese cars. Before we start, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications, because car safety can literally save lives. The Brilliance BS6 from 2007. This mid-size sedan was hyped as China's entry into Europe, but in the Euro NCAP test, it scored a dismal 1-star, basically 0 in real terms. The cabin collapsed like paper with the A-pillar folding in, and 0 protection for the driver's head and chest. Dummies took massive impacts and experts called it a catastrophic failure. No wonder it got banned from some markets. Talk about a brilliant disaster. The Great Wall Steed 5 pickup from 2020. Tested by global NCAP, this workhorse got 0 stars for adult occupants. Without airbags in the base model, the footwell crushed inward, the steering wheel slammed into the driver's chest, and the structure was rated unstable. Head and neck injuries were off the charts. Definitely not great for off-road adventures or, surviving a fender bender. The JAC E10X electric hatchback crashed in 2022 by Latin NCAP. 0 stars across the board. This EV's battery didn't disconnect after impact, risking fire or shocks while the body shell buckled completely. Driver protection? Non-existent for the head, chest, and legs. Pedestrian safety was weak too. Shocking for a modern electric, right? Moving on to the Neta V, an affordable EV tested in 2024 by NCAP. It earned a flat 0 stars, the first EV to bomb this bad under new protocols. Frontal offset crash? 0 points. The driver's head, neck, chest, and legs got hammered. Side impacts weren't much better, with poor structural integrity. Budget-friendly, but at what cost to your life? The Chery QQ3 city car from 2017. Global NCAP gave it 0 stars in South Africa tests. No airbags meant the unstable shell caved in, crushing the driver's space. High loads on the chest and head made it a 0 hero for safety. Perfect if you want a cheap ride. Disastrous if you value breathing after a crash. Don't forget the Chery Amulet, tested around 2007 in Russia. It flunked hard, equivalent to 0 stars in independent crashes. The front end imploded, dummies suffered fatal level injuries to the head and torso, and the cabin deformed massively. Sold cheap in emerging markets, but it was basically a rolling coffin. Harsh, but true. The Geely CK sedan from 2010. Latin NCAP slammed it with 0 stars. Driver protection was poor everywhere, weak chest, high dummy loads on all regions. The structure collapsed, no airbags helped, and it became infamous for exposing how far Chinese safety had to go back then. Now, the Dongfeng BOX from 2025, yeah, a fresh one. Euro NCAP handed it 3 stars, but that's weak for today. Spot welds failed, airbags underperformed, and doors jammed shut post-crash. Adult protection scored just 69%, with iffy child safety at 81%. It's better than old clunkers, but still lags behind rivals like the BYD Dolphin. While these models highlight some dark days for Chinese autos, brands like BYD and Geely have stepped up big time in recent years, nailing 5 stars now. What shocked you most? Drop a comment below, like if you learned something, and subscribe for more deep dives into car safety. Your life might depend on it. See you in the next one.